I'm not really sure why I like science. I think it has something to do with the fact that while I do really like the arts, science is much more concrete, and while there are still tons of questions we haven't answered, it's something I can definitely understand if someone explains it to me.
Yes, we have discovered many things, but there's still many more things. Knowing that, it's somewhat of a mystery to me.
I think it started when I was really little, when I would go in my backyard and find bugs and caterpillars and stuff, and spend all day playing with them. And then it just kept growing.
I just like understanding how we as humans work. I want to kind of be a part of the effort to learn more about ourselves.
For me, I'm not really sure what I want to go into yet, but I chose to do this program so I could get, a taste to see what it would be like. And I really think what it's done is it's given me a good idea of, what it would be like, and it's really actually motivated me into maybe going into the sciences, because I used to think it would be exciting, but maybe at the same time be very boring, and this has just proved to me that the sciences can be really fun.
I think it's opened me up personally to the research field of science, which I'd never really considered before. I always thought about taking a career that was at the front lines, like a doctor or a medic or something.
Initially, I thought it was going to be really, really intense, but the first couple days was more like getting to know the techniques and equipment in the lab. But overall, I think it was manageable while also being challenging.
The environment, it was a really interactive one. You really felt like you could involve yourself in everything, and it wasn't just theoretical, it was very hands-on.
I expected it to be simply classroom learning, like lectures all day. And when I got here, it was also actual lab work, and it still managed to be fun, like a summer camp would be.
Here at Helix, I was expecting more of a classroom setting. I wasn't really expecting to make any friends, but it just came along.
It's very intimate because there are small groups, so it's very easy to get to know everyone. You're constantly around them, and you work well in teams together because you're constantly having to work with them.
Not only did I see other professors and students, but I also made friends with people in my class who not only were interested when I was interested in, the course that I'm in now, but they also had their own fields of interest, so they were able to teach me about what they knew.
The Helix experience has definitely motivated me to continue exploring science.
In one word,
I would say it's intriguing because it's very different to what I expected, and it actually pleasantly surprised me, and I learned a lot in the space of only 4 days.
Refreshing, because one of the main things that my teacher was trying to impart to us was that everything in science is not, the boundaries are really thin, and you have to challenge everything with a critical mind.
I would pick eye-opening. That's my word.